How to Graph by Hand, Families of Functions and 6 Transformations. This is a free modular course with over 250 videos and over 450 examples. Modular meaning you only use what you need. Hi, my name is Tom Reardon. You can see I've been at Fitch High School at Youngstown State University for a long time. For the past 12 years, I've been a senior math advisor for Texas Instruments. This is my contact information, and this is a link to the website that we're talking about primarily. If you think this is helpful, please share this information with your friends and math teachers. Here's a list of the parent functions and relations that we're going to illustrate. You'll notice the linear is in 5 parts: standard form, slope-intercept, point-slope, vertical lines, horizontal lines. And hopefully these are the parent functions that you've studied or will study. We also talk about each of the transformations separately on how to do them, starting with vertical shifts, horizontal shifts, vertical stretches and shrinks, horizontal stretches and shrinks, opposite of a function, and f at the opposite of x. Please pause as needed, resume when you're ready. And by the way, we do this often during the videos. We'll ask you to pause whenever you need to do so and then resume when you're ready to finish. Here's an example family, y equals x squared. It contains the following videos, and each of the 13 families is similar to this one. We always start off with a how to graph the parent function, meaning like you've never seen it before. There's a very thorough, detailed explanation. And then we also have a quick review. Just say you forgot, you're not sure exactly what y equals x squared is, or y equals 1 over x, or whatever the parent function is. You can look at the quick review. The first equation listed is the explained example. The second one is a now you try one self-assessment. We always want to make sure you're picking up on what you're supposed to pick up on. And the rest are what we call quick videos, where they're dealing with vertical transformations, horizontal, dilations, f of k times x, f of the point k times x, the opposite, and so on. Notice the last 3. This one is a combination. That's what the C stands for. This is a moderate. This is a little bit more difficult, and this is a little bit more complex. Press pause as needed. So this is, if you go to this link right here, this takes you to Texas Instruments Family of Functions homepage. And it'll explain, getting started, what the parent function is. It has an equal sign, a clock for the quick parent function, the different transformations and the combinations. But the main thing if you go there is to download the quick reference guide to all videos and materials for the course. This is a must. You don't need to print it. You can just download it and view it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here I am at the Families of Functions modular course, explains this and so on. I'll just kind of scroll so you can see what's all there, listing all of the modules. Click on the module, it'll take you to that particular module. But again, the main thing is to click on the download the quick reference guide to all videos and materials. The first thing is a table of contents. These are active links here, so if you want to go to, let's say, the reciprocal function, you click on the link there and it takes you to the reciprocal function. We'll go back. So these are the parent functions. At the bottom of the first page, it talks about how to do the transformations. And you'll notice there's 2 links for each video. The first one is a YouTube link, which is kind of hard to remember. The second one is one that we created, so it's easy to remember. They always start off with bit.ly/TI for Texas Instruments, 21 for the year 2021, FOF, Family of Functions, and then whatever the code is right here. So it'll be easy to remember those links if you needed to write them down. Here is the squaring function here, and you can see what's good about this. You see exactly what functions you need to practice. Say, oh, I'm not sure how to do this. Go to that video. Absolute value, the square root function, and so on. So I'll leave those for you to go ahead and look at. Again, this is a list of the modules here. And these are the remaining modules, including piecewise, a generic function created of piecewise functions. The linear one, as of right now, is not completed, so it's at this website temporarily. Okay, so if you're interested in going there, this would be it. Notice it shows how to graph the parent functions both in depth and then quickly. Also there are 6 videos on what does slope mean and how to calculate slope, derive the slope formula, and so on. Coming soon, we're going to be trig graphs and their transformations. Those will be temporarily at this website right here. So to summarize this is my contact information. The main website is this one right here, and again, it is case sensitive. Again, the quick reference guide is a must. This is the temporary one for the linears and the temporary one for the trig. Please contact me with questions. Hope this was worthwhile for you.